In this video, we'll explore how the Follow Auction Live feature enhances your bidding experience during the final moments of an auction. When an auction event starts closing, bidders can choose to follow Auction Live. This feature automatically redirects them to the next closing lot as each one ends. As an admin, go to the Preferences page under the Events section. Here, you'll find the option Follow Auction Live. Simply enable this setting. As a seller, when creating or editing an event, you'll find the Follow Auction Live option. Make sure it's enabled. Once enabled for the event, all users will see the Follow Auction Live option on the Event Details and Lot Details pages. By clicking this option, they will be redirected to the first active Lots Details page for the event. As each lot closes, buyers will be automatically directed to the next active Lots Details page, keeping them continuously updated on the auction's progress. This is how Follow Auction Live keeps bidders engaged and automatically updated as each lot closes during an auction. Thank you for watching.